morning, children. In the last classes, we have studied about the sense organs. Okay, that means sensing the things or feeling the things around us. Now, in this class, I would like to discuss few more topics, and we will revise that what we have studied in our earlier classes. That means yesterday. Okay, as we all know that our body is a living machine. Okay, we perform varieties of work and different kinds of work with the help of our body. Okay, so our body has different part like our stomach, our hands, our legs, our eyes, nose, ears, chest, feet, everything. Okay, so it all comes in our parts of body. Okay, now I would like to tell that beside these body parts we have some specific body parts or the organs which perform their specific function. Okay, so what they are as I have written on the blackboard: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. So these are the five basic organs which through which we perform our daily functions or some specific functions which is being performed by only these organs. So what these organs are called? These are called sense organs. What they help us in? They help us in sensing the things or to feel the things around us. And what does sense mean? Sense means to feel the things or to sense the things around the world or in surrounding. Okay, and what does organs means? Organs means the body parts which performs specific functions by the part itself. Okay, nothing, no other body part can perform that function. Okay, so these are called sense organs. Now I would like to describe the functions of these five organs which I have written on the board. The first comes here is eyes. What does eyes help us in? Eyes help us in seeing the things or to watch the things around us. Okay, the function is sight. Okay, the eyes function is sight. Okay, now eyes help us to see your friends, okay, your relatives, your people around us. You people are watching to me, so these are just because of your eyes. Okay, without eyes you could not see anything or any people or nothing you can see without the help of your eyes. Okay, now you could, with the help of eyes, you could stop danger. Like if a car is coming towards you, अगर कोई speed में कोई vehicle, if something is coming in front of you, so you will stop. Okay, so these signals or these sense organs send signals to our brain. हमारे brain को ये जो sense organs हैं, these five sense organs, these sense organs send signals to our brain, and then brain reacts accordingly. And if a car is coming towards you, you all people stop with the help of your hand that to protect yourself from danger. So this is how you people use these sense organs in your daily life. Okay, now coming to the second sense organ is your ears. Ears help us in listening the sounds. Okay, if I'm talking to you, you are all listening to me. It's just because of your ears you people are listening to me. Okay, if you goes to your family or family relatives home, okay, there people used to talk और members वहाँ पे मिलके group में बात करते हैं. So how you people listen to them? Of course just because of ears. आपको कोई instructions मिलता है, कोई command मिलते हैं, आप उन्हें follow करते हैं just because of your ears. Up now the ears has we listen varieties of sound. Okay, like tinkling of a bell, chirping of a birds. अगर आप बाहर मार्केट प्लेस में जाते हैं, you listen varieties of sounds like horns की वहाँ पे different sounds आते हैं. Okay, if you go to temple, वहाँ पे bells की भी आवाज़ आती है. If your phone is with you, okay, and it starts ringing just because it is also a kind of sound. Okay, if someone is entering to your home, अगर आपके घर में कोई आता है, and what they do, they people door a knock, so that is also a sound. Okay, if you people shouting at someone or scolding someone, so it is also a sound. ये भी एक sound है, एक आवाज है. Okay, so this is all because of your ears. Now coming to the third sense organ is your nose. Nose help us in smelling the things. The smell could be a pleasant one also, and it could be a fouling smell also. Okay, now pleasant smell as in smell of a delicious food, scents, perfumes, okay, fragrances, different kinds of fragrances. So these all comes in a pleasant smell जो आपको बहुत अच्छा feel कराती है, and they are really very good and they make you feel good also as well. And the fouling smells like fouling smells as in like smell from your dirty clothes, smell from the garbage. Okay, so these all comes in fouling smells. Smell could be a good also and it could be a bad also. Okay, a good smell make you feel very good, and bad smell will is not a it won't make you feel easy. So it just because of your organ, that is nose. Okay, now coming to the fourth now coming to the fourth sense organs is your tongue. Okay, that we also use in our daily life. At every second we need our tongue, we need the sense organs so that we could speak. Okay, if I'm speaking to you all, okay, just because of my tongue, okay, if I'm speaking you, it helps us in speaking also, to in speaking and talking, or and singing. Okay, so it's just because of our sense organ called tongue. It also help us in taste. Okay, taste as in if you eat something, so it could be a sweet taste also, the taste could be bitter also, sour also, and it could be delicious or sweet also. So these different kinds of taste, we use tongue to help us in tasting or the food or anything we eat. Okay, so this is just because with the help of our tongue we use it, and this is also come in a sense organs. वो भी हमारे sense organs का ही part है, tongue. Okay, now coming to the last sense organ is skin. We all know that skin is the largest sense organ in our body. Like our whole body is covered with the skin. Okay, skin का क्या function होता है? Skin जो है, it helps us in sensing the things or feeling the things. Touch, it helps us in touch. Okay, like if someone is holding a glass of water, okay, it is, so you will feel, how would you feel? Cold, of course. If someone pinches you, अगर आपको someone pinches you some very like pen, pencil, आपको कोई चुभाता है, so how does it feel like? Of course आपको गलत sensations होते हैं. So this is all just because of your skin. It helps us in touch and feel the things around us. So here I have described you all 5 sense organs and their functions. Okay, we use these 5 sense organs in every activity in daily life, of course, and we need them. Okay, now coming to the next topic, which is good touch and a bad touch. Good touch is all about affection, showing affection, care for your loved ones. Okay, if you hug your dog, your pet dog, or your friends, or your relatives, or your parents, so how would you feel? Of course you feel good, you feel very like loved from them. Okay, so this is a good touch. Now what is a bad touch? If someone is scolding you or touching you in a wrong way, so आपको गलत तरीके से वो टच कर रहा है एंड ही मेक्स यू फील कंफर्टेबल, दैट पर्सन मेक यू फील कंफर्टेबल, तो ऑफकोर्स इट इज कॉल्ड अ बैड टच. दैट मीन्स उसका दैट पर्सन हैज नॉट हैविंग good intentions, so this is called a bad touch. Now we people are very grown ups that we could differentiate between good touch and bad touch. Okay, and we should even ask such people to stay away from us. We could discuss these things to our elder ones. हम हमारे पेरेंट्स से भी बात कर सकते हैं that these people are making us uncomfortable by touching us in a wrong way. Okay, we people are grown ups enough that we understand whether it is a good touch or it is a bad touch, and we should not allow people to be around us. Okay, we feel uncomfortable by their touch, so we should directly ask them to leave. Okay, so it is all about the sense organs. You should take care in your life. Okay, we use them in daily activities or purpose. Okay, so you should differentiate between good touch and a bad touch. You should love your people around you all. Okay, so this is all from this chapter. Thank you everyone.